Hey guys, so before I show the French drain in action here, I just want to give you a little background. As you can see, this whole area slopes down from the northwest, and my yard on both sides, on the north and the west, continued to slope down into my foundation originally. So that was obviously a big problem. Bought this place 6 months ago, knew I was going to have to do something about it right away. So looked into it, found French Drain Man, and ended up designing this system. We took the clay, used it to regrade next to the house, and we got dual high octane in the bottom, and I actually elected to do the 8-ounce fabric, burrito wrapped, and put this 1.5 inch Lake Superior stone right back on top. So added these window wells. So this section's 1% grade, and then we got 2% going all the way to the back alley here. And we got some drainage channels in these window wells as well, going into the drain. And yeah, regraded all of this. And then we got the transition to the Baughman Gold solid pipe. And that goes all the way back here, again 2% grade, back to the exit point. It's about 70 feet or so drain, about 150 feet total run, I believe. So yeah, with that, let's cut to the footage. Alright, here we go. It's raining really hard out there. Holy. Oh, let's see this. Let's go see this, baby. Dude, this. Holy shoot, dude. Oh man. Oh. Wow. Crazy. All of that water coming out of the Baughman Tile High Octane double barrel. It is just pouring out here. Oh man, this is what I've been waiting for. This is the first big one, baby. This is the first big one. Oh, and it is just coming out. Oh man, this is nuts. Oh, I'm getting soaked. I'm cold. That is really satisfying. Now that's the first big rain, baby. First big rain, and it is just chucking. Woo, it's just chucking, baby. Oh, it's so cool. Oh my goodness. Look at that water. Alright, I'm freezing my butt off. I'm freezing cold. So yeah, I hopped out at 2 a.m. out of bed for that footage. Heard the rain pounding the roof and knew I just had to see what was going on out there. So I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. And I just got to say thank you to French Drain Man for providing us with this awesome information, demystifying how to build a world-class French drain system, and for all your efforts to get us this just awesome pipe with 17.25 square inches of inlet per linear foot. I mean, it really is the best pipe in the world.